A sweet, tangy, and creamy spread is super citrusy delights. Hi, my name is Kyle, and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And today, we're going to show you for the basic recipe is the lemon curd. The basic recipe is going to make a lemon curd. We're going to start out with 3 large eggs kept at room temperature. We're going to put it into a large sauce pot. We're going to take a whisk. We're going to beat the eggs to break it over. Want to make sure to get a nice and color. We're going to add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. A zest of 1 lemon. I'm just going to keep whisking over. The sugar and the lemon zest is going to dissolve inside the egg. We're going to use 3 lemons, going to juice it up inside with the eggs, sugar, and the zest. We're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. We're just going to keep whisking over. You can see that pale and bright color. And now we're going to juice up the lemon. But first, you got to roll up the lemon onto the cutting board, cut it in half, and give it a squeeze. The juice is going to come out here. Alright, we just already squeezed out only 3 lemons, and this is already just measured almost about 1/2 cup. We're going to pour it in right into the egg, the sugar, and the zest. And just going to keep whisking over. Alright, that goes into the stove onto medium or medium-high heat. We're going to cook this for 8 to 10 minutes until it's going to get thickened. Here we go, it just thickened after 8 to 10 minutes. You can go ahead and turn off the heat. We're going to put it into the medium-sized bowl and we're going to strain it with a sieve. And you can see how thickened it was. Alright, let's put this right into the bowl. We're going to move all the lumps using with a sieve. Alright, we're starting some unsalted butter. We're going to put it in 2 tablespoons at a time. The butter is going to melt inside with the hot curd as we keep stirring. Alright, the butter just melted in the hot curd, and we just put 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. As we keep stirring to melt the butter in the hot curd, and it might be ready. And you can smell it, all the lemony taste. Very nice and tangy look. Right, that was good. And this might be a lot cool faster. We're going to cover loosely with some plastic wrap and going to chill it into the refrigerator until nice and cold. Alright, after it's chilled in the refrigerator until it's nice and cold, we're going to take it out and see how it just looks. And that's just perfect, nice and thin, the lemon curd. And this is how the basic recipe for the easiest lemon curd. Ready to use your own recipe we're using with the bar, the dessert, cookies, cakes, or even other baked goods. And here's the finished lemon curd. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other recipes from In the Kitchen with Worldwide Campus on this playlist. Then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest videos.